What is 1099 NEC on eSmart tax? Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about the 1099 NEC form, which is used to report non-employee compensation such as payments made to the independent contractors, freelancers or self-employed individuals. The NEC stands for the non-employee compensation. This form was previously reported on the form 1099 MISC, but starting tax year 2020, the IRS introduced the form 1099 NEC specifically for reporting non-employee compensation. In eSmart Tax or any other similar tax preparation software for the tax year 2024, the 1099 NEC form would likely be included in the section where you report income from the self-employment or freelance work. And here is how you might interact with it. Navigate to the Income section. Log into your eSmart Tax account and navigate to this section where you report income. This is typically labeled as income or wages and income. Look for a subscription related to the self-employment income, independent contractor income, or non-employee compensation. Enter the 1099 NEC information, which includes the details such as the payer's name and address and the amount of non-employee compensation received and any federal or state income tax withheld. After entering all the necessary information, review your entries carefully to ensure accuracy, and once you're confident that everything is correct, you can proceed to submit your tax return. This inclusion of the 1099 NEC form in eSmart Tax for the tax year 2024 should streamline the process of reporting income from the dependent contractor, work, or self-employment. If you have any specific questions or need further assistance, you can refer to the eSmart Tax Help Resources, FAQs, or contact their customer support for the guidance. So this is basically on what is 1099 NEC form, eSmart Tax. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.